Take a minute, let's mismanage our time. It's getting high up in here.
Punta muna kami ka tripper sa Sushi Buffet Restaurant. Happy Mother's Day!
Mother's Day.
Ma, happy birthday! Happy Mother's Day to all.
Betty Rosa. Sino pa nga?
Tita Naida, Inday Jane,
Naida.
Jane Ann. Sino pa ba? Si Erica. Si Tita Tex. Mama ni Alvin. Ayan na, dito kami ka trippers. Sa 168 Sushi. Mamaya na update na lang ka trippers. May 10% discount if you have cash at trippers. Happy Mother's Day! This is
For $39, what is the food?
台，你帮他解释一下怎么使用。
We are $39, diba? 39.
Is
What
this
the food?
$39 for today?
Yeah, it is
what's the
$38 and 19
okay.
$39.
Okay,
So
how
what's
to
the
do
food?
it?
The crab, how to get
Yeah,
that?
this is the menu, and we have the roll and the hand roll, sushi, and all you can eat.
This is all?
Yeah, yes, and
Where's
all
the crab?
included in the
Where's
menu.
the crab? The crab leg.
Frankly,
Crab leg. The crab leg.
we have, yeah, you can see all the
all
menus.
these?
Yeah, and you can
Okay.
like this one, and you
Then
can
click after click.
yes, yeah, just
It will
like
go
this.
here.
Yeah, you can you want menu,
yeah.
and then you just plus or menu. Yeah.
Nice.
And then you can order in this tablet, and also you can take yourself in the salad bar in the middle, and you can take like some ice cream and some.
There's an ice cream dessert. There's some dessert.
Yes, yes, dessert and fruit
Okay,
and ice
we'll
cream.
go. We'll
You
try
will
this.
just go there.
Yeah, yeah.
No, after. But the robot will put this one.
I will take it for you, and all the orders that I can take for you, and for the salad bar, and you can take yourself.
Okay, thank you.
Or just send the orders after.
Thank you.
Yeah, after order, and then check your order and send.
Thank you.
What do you like?
Only one tablet. Only one per table.
Yeah,
Okay.
one tablet for one table.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Ano ka?
Okay.
And also, like this roll and
yeah.
yeah.
Choose
All
for you,
different
man.
types of the sushi.
Sugar.
So we will just choose this one, and then somebody will go into.
Yeah, I will take it for you. And if you order some fried food and some the robot will take for you.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Trippers, 168 Sushi Japan Buffet. Ito yung menu nila. Buffet siya. Tapos, pili lang kayo. Tapos, isi-send nyo lang sa my order. And, it's either yung tao yung maghatid sa'yo or robot. So, scroll up. Yan lang ka-trippers. At ito yung prices. 38.95 kasi dinner na. Later ulit ka trippers.
Okay, first pala dito.
Hindi kami tinantanan ng kaka-buffet.
Feel it too high, I'm here to stay. Okay, okay, got me feeling some type of way.
Ka-trippers, 168 sushi at Ottawa Maryville. Sama ko. Bon appetit!
No time to waste. Okay, 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 okay.
Busy si sir. Ang spicy na nakuha. Pero yung mackerel, ka-trippers, Kabaka trippers. Mangga, salad. Wow! Tapos di bayaran na mga trippers. Dun.
You were worried about him.
Ayan, gusto ko nang maimpacho ka trippers. Payment time.
Wait tayo.
So mga ka-trippers, tapos na kami. Dito kami sa 168 Sushi Japan Buffet. Japan Buffet pero ang kanta sa loob ay Chinese. Ayun.
Mostly crew child.
Tapos, ito pa. Mandatory tip 10%.
Sabi niya sa Tim Horton, McDonald's hindi raw, pero sa kanila may mga restaurant. If McDonald's, Tim
Fast
Horton,
food.
yeah. No need for tip at pag ganyang restaurant.
There. Ga, panort yan dito yung Maribel. Pauwi na tayo.
Ligaw na naman.
So ano na yung trivia mo ulit? Dito muna tayo sa
Ko?
168 Sushi
Ang isang-
Japan. Parang gusto namin ma-impacho ka, trippers.
Isang buwan kami nag-diet, wala na.
Parang na-impacho na kami.
Next 2 months ulit.
Hindi na namin. Okay na, natikman na namin.
Yeah.
Masarap siya pero ang ano pala, Japanese buffet pero ang sa loob Chinese.
Pero ang lalasan, sarap ah.
Oo, masarap lahat. Yun. Mag-enjoy ka naman, lalo na pag gutom. Sa sobrang gutom namin, dito kami nag-end up.
May
Siyempre,
pa-tablet pa sila. Maganda rin dahil i-click mo sa tablet then send. Minsan yung robot, minsan yung service crew nila. Yun. Happy Mother's Day.
for the
And
experience,
happy Mansari namin kahapon dito
Correct.
sa Orewa.
it's our 1 month.
Nakasurvive.
Yeah, babush muna ka, trippers. Good night. Thank you for watching.
Yes,
Happy
subscribe.
Mother's Day to all.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, ma. Nag-enjoy po kami.
Meron doon,
Night, night.
meron doon.
What time is it, Ga? Ga,
Ay, nakatak.
ang oras ngayon ay 7:55 ka, trippers. Ayun. Ng May 12. Ganito pa rin kaliwanag. Actually, sobrang liwanag po niya. Hindi ko lang alam bakit ang dilim sa camera.
Ang lamig na.
Oo. Okay na. Bye-bye.
Take 'em off of your mind and let's take a ride. I mean, feeling some type of way. I know you must feel it too. I'm here to stay.